For this video, we are going to cover sides rule of a triangle, find the range of the third side. Let's try this. Two sides of a triangle have the following measures. Find the range of the possible measures for the third side. Now since it's asking us for the range, we're going to use x is less than a number but greater than a number. For number 1, the given are 4 and 7 as the two sides of the triangle. To find the range of the third side, where x is less than a number, that will be higher number plus the lower number. And for x that is greater than a number, that will be higher number minus the lower number. Now the 4 will serve as the lower number and 7 as the higher number. Let's substitute. So here, higher number will be 7 plus 4, and that is equal to 11. So the number here is 11. And on x that is greater than a number, that will be 7 minus 4, and that is equal to 3. So the number here is 3. Now, the range of x is less than 11 but greater than 3. Moving on to our number 2. Here, the given of the two sides are 8 and 3. So the same thing, here will be higher minus the lower number. Here will be higher number plus the lower number. 8 will be the higher number and 3 will be the lower number. Let's substitute. So h become 8 minus the lower number is 3, and that's equivalent to 5. And on the other side, higher is 8 plus the lower 3. So 8 plus 3, that is 11. So the numbers here are 5 and 11. So our answer will be x is less than 11 but greater than 5. On number 3, we have 12 and 16 as the two sides of the triangle. Here will be higher minus the lower and higher plus the lower number. Now let's substitute. So 12 become our lower number and 16 will be our higher number. So here this will become 16 minus 12, and 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Next, we have 16 plus 12, and that is equal to 28. So the numbers here are 4 and 28. Our final answer will be x is less than 28 but greater than 4. Moving on to our number 4 with the two side length of 6 and 19. So here, higher minus lower and higher plus the lower. 6 will be our lower number and 19 will be our higher number. Let's substitute. So 19 minus 6, and that is equal to 13. And the other side, we have 19 plus 6, that is equal to 25. So the numbers here are 13 and 25. Our final answer will be x is less than 25 but greater than 13. Comment your questions and suggest any math topic for our next video.